Welcome back to my channel, Practically Home. I'm Aubrey, and if you guys are new here, hi and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you guys our bathroom makeover. So whenever I'm designing a space, the first thing I do is I come up with a color palette. For this bathroom, I knew I wanted it to feel custom, neutral, accent with blacks, and I wanted to have a little bit of fun with the walls. So for this bathroom, I found this really great wallpaper. It has white and a bunch of gray tones in it. This is from Home Depot. It's a peel and stick, very easy to install. So for this bathroom, I wrapped this first section all the way around, and I think it just really elevated this space and it just feels custom. I want to show you guys this light. I replaced the standard construction light that came with the house with this one that I purchased off of Amazon. I love the really thin black modern hardware, but I love that it also softens up the light with these glass round bulbs. What's nice too is that these bulbs are 40 watts, so it's not as bright as the 60 watt bulbs, and that makes a total difference for this bathroom. So once I had the wallpaper, I also wanted to add a little accent wall as well. Board and batten is super easy to install. This took me and my husband maybe 5 minutes to just cut and nail this in. So this is a really nice touch to this bathroom. It helps break up the wallpaper. And I think by adding this, it also makes this bathroom feel a lot taller than it really is. Because this bathroom has two vanities, and it's a really big wall. This wall can definitely handle 2 extra large mirrors. So these mirrors are modern. I wanted this bathroom to feel a little transitional. So we have some modern hardware, we have modern mirrors, and then I paired it up with some traditional faucets and handles. And I'll show you guys in a minute. But for these mirrors, I got these from Hobby Lobby. They were pretty affordable. You can buy them when they're 50% off. But I love how big they are. They're just add a nice glamorous touch to this bathroom. So that was really fun. So a great way to make your bathroom feel elevated. You guys can remove the hardware that builders like to install. You can replace it with a really nice towel rack. I got this towel rack from Target by Hearth and Hand. They sell them. And then I like to pair it up with just a nice hand towel that had some minimal lines in it. So for this bathroom, I wanted to change out the faucets for something a little bit more traditional. You guys, these are a killer deal. I found these off of Amazon. These were just $40 a piece, and they're these really nice traditional looking faucets. It also comes with a 360 swivel, which I thought was a really nice addition as well. So I felt like that was a perfect balance to the mirrors and the light in this bathroom. So with the faucets, I want to show you guys the hardware that I chose as well. This hardware is super easy to install. They also have a little vintage flair to them, which I thought was a nice touch to complement the traditional faucet and the modern mirrors. So everything just feels really nice and balanced. So I want to show you guys a nice centerpiece that you guys can do for your bathroom. This is so simple, anybody can do it. And if you really want to make your bathroom feel more of like a spa, here are some great little tips that you guys can do. So I want to show you guys these apothecaries. Apothecaries are super simple, very easy to pretty much make anything look good in them. I like to fill my apothecaries with items that my kids use for bath time or that guests could use. So in this first little one, we have some sugar scrubs. These are just for the shower. They're really fun. My kids look forward to using these every time they're in the shower. And then in this back one, we love to do some bath salts. Dr. Teal's has some really good Epsom bath salts. In this one, we just threw some Q-tips in. You guys can fill these with so many things. You could also do cotton balls, you could do scrubbies, you can do hair ties, whatever you and your guests may use. Apothecaries are a great way to display it. Then I wanted to just add a little pop of green. So I have this eucalyptus plant that I also bought from IKEA probably not too long ago, but this is just from IKEA. I popped it into one of these just black bowls that I had on hand, and it's just a nice little addition to the bathroom to add some green. The next little touch I like to have on our bathroom counter is soap dispensers and a lotion dispenser. This is a really cute duo from Hearth & Hand from Target. I will link it down below. So I just filled this up with some hand soap and some lotion, which I always find it's nice to put lotion on after you wash your hands. So we keep this on the side of the sink and it just looks nice, it's displayed well, and it also goes with the aesthetic of the bathroom. So in a space like this, you can either do a runner or you can do 2 bath mats under the stools. But for this bathroom, I was really feeling a runner. It's just a one piece, it's long, but it also collects that water from the shower out to here so that way no kids are slipping. So this jute runner was perfect. I purchased this one from Target. It's very affordable and it just adds that natural touch to this bathroom. And what's great about it is that this jute rug also ties in the tray on the center island as well. So it pulls that color from the ground up to the counter and it just complements the decor very well. So for the second portion of this bathroom, we didn't do any wallpaper, but I did want to dress up this space as well. So I found this really nice pinstripe curtain from Target. I paired it with these really pretty white shower hooks I found at HomeGoods. I love that they tie in the countertops in the bathroom. So that's a perfect little addition. And then we removed the towel rack and I found these really great clips from Target. They're great. It's a perfect little addition to add some black from the first portion of the bathroom or bringing that into the second portion. And these are just really fun and they just look better than your traditional towel rack. I did want to add some storage above the toilet. So right here I found these natural wood floating shelves from Target. These were super affordable. I paired it with some artwork. This artwork anybody can do. It's just a nice black frame because I want to add in those black accents. And then I just whipped up a nice little drawing. I had some pastels on hand with some paper. You guys can draw anything, but I was just kind of feeling some dried eucalyptus. So this I'll probably swap out down the road, but for now I'm very happy with it. So I just add a couple little knickknacks to these shelves, things that we will use in our bathroom. My kids love bubble baths, so the aromatherapy from Bath & Body, this is one of like our favorites right now. My kids just love it when it smells good. And then we also have some eucalyptus and spearmint shower steamers, and of course we have a room fragrance. So I love having this in just a little tray. I purchased this at Target as well. You can add some hand towels, and then I like to also have a canister on the shelf to collect hair ties, little knick-knack toys, anything that pretty much winds up in your bathroom on the floor. I like to put it in here. Thank you guys so much for checking out this bathroom makeover. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun doing it, and now it's time to start on another project. So thank you guys for checking out this video. I will link everything I can down below in the description box. So hopefully whatever you are looking for will be linked, and until next time, I will see you guys later.